Hello, everyone. My name is Mandy Tice with the School of Atelier Arts, and I have some super exciting news. We just released our brand new worksheet set. It's more than 50 worksheets that teach you how to arrange your elements in a drawing or painting with better composition. And these worksheets have hundreds of examples in them showing you how to improve your design in composition, how to practice different concepts in your composition. It's the real deal, and they are now available. And because it is our launch week, this week only, you can get $10 off of these worksheets. So these are the worksheets. You can purchase them at schoolofatelierarts.com/yay composition worksheets. And again, this week only, you get $10 off your purchase using this link. I am so excited about these worksheets because I know they're going to be a game changer for you and your art. So that's all I had to say. I want to make sure you got a chance to check them out. And as always, our worksheet sets are wildly popular. We have a cult following with them, and we have 100% money back guarantee. So if you're not sure if they can actually help you or not, there's no risk. Simply write an email, no questions asked, for a refund, and it'll be refunded and processed right away. So anyways, nobody ever really asked for a refund because the worksheets are awesome. I mean, I don't know if I'm allowed to say that because I made them, but it's true. There's a reason they have a cult following. They're designed by me, a licensed art teacher that specializes in sharing information about the visual arts with others. So they're really top-notch, designed by an expert, and I hope you enjoy them. Cheers.